how can you block specific apps from being downloaded on the iPhone? Let me explain how it works, and if you are new here or first time on this channel, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. Okay, so essentially you have more ways, like if you want to block every single app from being able to be downloaded, you can check out the screen time section where in the content and restrictions, you can go to the App Store and then decide that installing apps is not allowed, generally speaking, for every app. But if you specifically want to limit some applications, the only way to make it work would be through a feature which is called Ask to Buy. And it is only possible to be used when you are on a family sharing, and only the organizer can turn it on for some other accounts, right? Some as a guardian, sort of, you can turn it on for a different account, and then you will have to approve every single download. So you would get like a notification in the messages that this app is, that account which belongs to you, sort of, wants to download a particular app from the App Store, and you click on approve or decline, and in that case you can basically have full control over what's being installed and downloaded into that particular iPhone. So that is the only way to kind of like decide and specifically block some apps from being downloaded. Outside of that, as I've shown you, you can only block full downloading process for any app on the App Store. So that is how it works. These are the options we have. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. But for now, that's it. Thanks a lot, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.